Hey guys, I've been asked a couple times when I'm gonna do a next Tesla video. Ta-da! This is what happens when you go too fast in a pouring rain. Yesterday I was driving, it was pretty late, dark, and rain was pouring, and out of nowhere it just started spinning. I spun a couple times and hit a construction barrier. Everybody's fine except my pride and bank account soon. So we're gonna be working on this one pretty soon. First, we're gonna take it apart to assess the damage. I'm pretty sure the frame is damaged because of the gaps on the back doors, and quarter panels, they got you can see the wave in both quarter panels. Well, and basically from this kind of damage you can tell that bumper reinforcement is damaged, this side is pushed up, and trunk obviously is not closing. I have to get a new trunk lid. I don't think that's reasonable to repair this one because it's already twisted. Yeah, so let's get to it. So, frame rails went sideways, this one got pushed up. I would like to buy rear end if I can find it and cut from here, just change this whole section. That would be ideal for me. That way I would save quarter panels, even though this one is pretty twisted. But this is just skin. I'm pretty sure I could fix this easily instead of going through replacing the quarter panel. So let me get to parts searching, and as soon as I get parts, we are going to start cutting. Hopefully, I really don't want to put it on a frame machine because this is yeah, I don't know, I don't want that kind of repair. Not that I'm like too picky, not that I'm like looking for an ideal repair, but still I won't be able to drive it knowing that it's banged up like that on the inside, because to get it straight you'll have to bang it up, and I'd rather just cut and weld and make it nice, and trunk won't leak, and I won't hear no extra noises. So it's always better to cut as far as you can to the part that is not damaged at all. And by the way, I drove it from the accident site. I actually drove it home, and the steering wheel is straight. It was driving straight, although it was dark and rain was pouring, and you know, I was kind of upset. So maybe I overlooked something, but yeah. So for now, this is the plan. Looking for parts. Stick around.